Doing the axle on this RX450h. This would be also the same, relatively the same for the RX350s as well. But got the axle in there, and I was going to tighten down the nut here, right? So I was going to tighten down the nut here. Here's the old one. But this is a 30mm 12 point. The new one comes with a 32mm 6 point, right? So I had to run to good old AutoZone right down the street, pick up a 32mm 6 point half-inch socket. So basically what I'm telling you is if you're doing your axle, make sure you have the right tools. I did have a 32 short, but it wouldn't go all the way on because it gets in the way of the axle, right? So I needed the deep socket to be able to get in there nice and deep like. Picked it up online from TrakMotive T0-8414 for those of you who cannot read. There's the old one. And so what happened was when I took it off, I couldn't get the what do you call it, where the nut goes on. It's basically smashed down, right, to lock it into place on the axle, on the CV axle. And when I took it off, it just ripped all the threads apart. Real nice like. Point of this video, make sure you have a 32mm and a 30mm 12 point when you're doing the axles on your Lexus RX series. I took back that socket that I got from AutoZone and picked this up from Amazon. Cosman 8-piece 12 point half-inch drive deep impact socket set. I'll put a link down in the description below. But it's got 29, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, 38, and 39 sockets. Deep, half-inch, 12 point. I'll put a link in the description below where you guys can pick this up on Amazon. But I know it was less than, I think it was like 34, 36 bucks. I know it was less than $50. And the socket I got from AutoZone was like almost 28, I think. This would be way better for your money to buy this whole set than just to buy one socket. So there you go, guys. Hope this helped you out. Always make sure you have the right tools when you're working on a vehicle.